Royce Hotel and Casino officially kicked off the Christmas season with Christmas of Splendor, a festive celebration that blended light, beauty, and hope into one magical night.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The annual tree lighting ceremony set the tone for a holiday filled with joy and wonder, highlighting the partnerships that continue to strengthen Royce's place as a premier hospitality destination and an essential part of the Clark community. Leading the celebration were Department of Tourism Region 3 Director Richard Dinos, CDC Assistant to the President and CEO Zoraida Camello, Tourism Promotions Manager Eladita Lorenzo, and Communications Division Manager Astrud Aguinaldo.
Tonight's ceremony is a lesson in hope, a reminder of how light persists even when the world goes dim. As we stand together, we are called to understand, of course, its deeper meaning.
Nandito rin si Mabalacat City Tourism Officer Arwin Lingat.
Tonight, we welcome the season of Splendor, a celebration of light, beauty, and the enduring spirit of hope. But beyond the dazzling decor and warm festivities, what truly makes this season splendid is the power of partnership.
Adding sparkle to the night were performances from the Little Stars and the AUF Concert Chorus, making the evening even more heartwarming and memorable. Truly, Season of Splendor lit up not just the Royce Christmas tree, but also the spirit of community and celebration in Clark. This is Patricia Mamangun on the spot.